All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, I took some time off. I gotta change that. Yes, I have hair. I wear a hat every day to work so I don't get gunk in my hair. And when I get done with work and go to film, I have hat hair. So I keep wearing a hat. I'm sure if you are a subscriber or regular viewer of the channel, you noticed I didn't have any content the week after Thanksgiving because I took some time off. I decided day before Thanksgiving I was not filming. I didn't film for my other channel that weekend. I took just time at home. I didn't do anything special. I just stayed home. For the last 6 months, it's kind of been a little stressful at my household. I don't talk about my personal life much. It's not that interesting. About 6 months ago, my wife lost her job from a company she's worked for 20 plus years. Not the company's fault. She left the corporate office. Properties, my wife does property management. Properties have been sold. They've, shrunk a huge amount. She was, however, managing a property in Midtown, but she took a property that was managed by her company, turned it into a very profitable property from a basket case, and did so for many years. The thing is she knew when she took that position, it was a temporary position because the company that owned it bought it to tear it down to put up high rises. Well, they've been, it's like a year, 2 years out for many, many years. Well, her and the residents got a 60-day notice. That's right. They got told 60 days they had to be out. In 60 days, my wife wouldn't have a job. So my wife had to get everybody out, and her employment with her company had come to an end. So she's been looking for a job for a while. Now, in the meantime, my mother-in-law, who we lived together, unfortunately fell and broke her leg. And she's up there in years, and unfortunately, a side effect of major injuries in elderly people is the onset of mental disorders. And unfortunately, she has dementia. So we've been struggling with that as well. Broke her leg, came back from the hospital after, got fixed and, had to learn how to walk all over again. And we started noticing some significant issues with her mental health. And if you're not familiar with the situation of mental health care for elderly, oh my Lord, it sucks. Our options to get her tested for dementia was hospitalize her immediately or wait 4 months to get her tested. So we got her in, we got her tested, yes, confirmed she has dementia, and her cognizant abilities go up and down. She's had some problems with paying bills multiple times, emptying her bank account. And that's what's been going on. And quite recently, she's currently in a nursing home because she had a bowel obstruction and had to have part of her intestines removed. While that was happening, my wife got a new job. She's now the director of accounts receivable for a very large company. And Monday's video kind of ties into that, but, because while I was on vacation, her first day was the Monday after Thanksgiving. So she was being onboarded, so that's kind of why the onboarding video happened. But she comes home on Sunday, so I know a lot of people like my videos and want to watch them, and I appreciate all that, but just figured I'd give you some updates on why I didn't have content. I normally would put out something, but I flat out did almost nothing with YouTube. Well, let me rephrase that. I did nothing. I didn't check my analytics. I didn't check comments. I didn't do anything other than hang on the couch, play video games, smoke cigars, drink whiskey, hang out with my family, and have a nice Thanksgiving dinner and clean up afterwards. So thanks for watching. As always, I am the Flat Rate Master.